Imagine holding history in your hands, piece by piece, brick by brick. This is the world of Lego MOC builds, where creativity meets culture, and the past is rebuilt one block at a time. Join us as we explore the incredible Lego MOC builds that are reshaping how we see African history. Our journey begins with Ekow Nimako, a Ghanaian-Canadian artist whose work with all-black Lego bricks has captivated audiences worldwide. Nimako's sculptures are more than just art, they are stories from Africa's past, told through the universal language of Lego. His piece titled Building Black Civilizations is a masterpiece, showcasing the grandeur of African empires like the Mali and Songhai. These Lego creations are not just about aesthetics, they are about identity, heritage, and the power of imagination. Next, we delve into the world of Lego builders who are reconstructing lost African cities. Cities like Timbuktu and Great Zimbabwe, once thriving centers of culture and commerce, are brought back to life in intricate Lego detail. These builds are a blend of historical research and artistic interpretation, offering a unique perspective on Africa's architectural heritage. Lego MOCs are also being used as tools for cultural preservation. By recreating traditional African homes, tools, and symbols in Lego, builders are keeping these cultural artifacts alive for future generations. The future of Lego MOCs in African history is bright. With advancements in Lego technology and a growing community of African Lego enthusiasts, we can expect even more groundbreaking builds that challenge our understanding of the past. As we conclude, we reflect on the power of Lego to tell stories that transcend time and geography. These builds are more than just toys, they are bridges to our ancestors, reminders of where we come from, and visions of where we can go. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the incredible world of Lego MOC builds.